Set up Merchise Google Shopping integration. Merchise Google Shopping integration requirements. You need a Merchise online store linked to your custom domain. You need to have a Google account and a Google Merchant Center account. Let's start connecting your Google Merchant Center account with Merchise. A Google Merchant Center account needs to be associated with a verified domain. So, first you need to verify your Merchise store's domain URL. Sign into your Merchant Center account. On the navigation panel on the right, click Business Information. Click on Website tab, enter your URL in your website address field. Next, there are 3 options to verify domain. Choose Add an HTML tag or upload an HTML file to your website. Or you can choose Verify with Google Tag Manager as well as Google Analytics. Next, copy the code in quotation marks after content. And then, log in to your Merchise account. Go to Setting, choose Tracking. Paste Google Site Verification code, then save. Go back to your Google Merchant Center. Choose Verify Website. Then choose Claim Website. Now the verification process is complete. With Merchise's built-in feature, you can create product feeds and automatically sync them to Google Merchant Center. To use this feature, you'll need to connect your Google Merchant Center and Merchise account. To set up integration, in your Merchise account, navigate to Integration tab, choose Google Shopping. If you have existing account here but want to connect other account, click Revoke. Then click Authorize. Log in with your Google account that associated with your Google Merchant account you want to connect. Now, your Google Merchant account is successfully connected. After connecting Merchise to Google Merchant Center, you can push your product feeds by click Force Product Resync. The data will be synced every 4 hours. And note that, if the processing times takes too long and the product feeds not appears in your Google Merchant Center, you can contact our support to check further. Decide using Merchise built-in tool to sync feed automatically. In case you prefer a manual setup, you can use a ready XML feed file with your product data, then upload it to Google Merchant Center. In Google Shopping section of your Merchise account, you can filter products by selecting date or category, tag, to export your data. When the feed is completely generated, then you can download file. Important attention! Before you upload your product feed to Google Merchant Center, you need to make sure that your store and products meets the Google Merchant Center requirements and policies. You can follow the instructions about the product data specification in the Google Merchant Center help to learn how to submit your product data to Google in the correct format.